Danny Hayasaka with Colony, helping people do their business better. And we are out on the Enterprise Connect 2023, this sort of walkway between the atrium and the expo hall. And I'm testing the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds. And it is extremely noisy in here. I don't know if this other camera's going to be able to pick that up, but this is what it would sound like if you were using the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds in this extremely noisy environment. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to let us know in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you guys next time.